How do I disable Command+Enter sending email in Outlook 2011 for Mac? I accidentally send emails about twice a week because of Outlook's keyboard shortcut for Command+Enter sending a message. How do I disable this keyboard shortcut?
Go to System Preferences, Keyboard Shortcuts, Application Shortcuts. Now add Outlook/Entourage to the list and make sure that menu title states Send. After that, choose whatever cryptic shortcut you are sure you will never accidentally hit. Note that you have to quit Outlook, make the change in System Preferences and relaunch Outlook 2011 for the change to take effect.
If you prefer not to have any keyboard shortcut assigned to the Send command, as I do, I suggest using a 0 with space character, set via the below terminal command. This will effectively disable the keyboard shortcut completely. Be sure Outlook is not running when you issue this command, or the preference may not be saved.
Last, czemu posądzę locking jest